Hello everyone, this is Gopal from Jagdamba Pearls, MG Road, Secunderabad. As you know, we are famous for the pearls, gold and diamond jewelry. आप सभी को नमस्कार। पहले तो सब I hope everybody is fine, taken the vaccination, first and second dose both, क्योंकि लेना भी ज़रूरी है, समय के साथ चलना है। So let us start. We have shown all these things. Pearls choker. As you know, our shop is 95 years old and Hyderabad is famous for the pearls. And we are making the jewelry with the pearl, and this is silver plated with gold, studded with the fine quality Swarovski stones. This is a choker, and here it's a matching earrings. Goes perfectly well because it is exactly matching. It's a stud. You can go for the hanging also. We have a lot of varieties. And it is adjustable in the length because backside is tassel is there. See the quality of the pearls. It is lifetime guarantee, each and every pearl, lifetime guarantee. You can see our products in Amazon, Flipkart also. So as you know, we are giving the lifetime guarantee along with the buyback. You can confidently buy the jewelry from us with the buyback guarantee certificates along with the Pakka bill. And if you see this choker, this is exactly copy of the gold jewelry, how the pearls are wiring with the silver alloy metal. Alloy, I'll explain you what is alloy. Alloy is 60 to 80% silver is there, in which 20% will mix copper and all, so that give the hardness to make the jewelry to the, of all the silver ornaments. See, this is jali work here. It's very time consuming process with the gold balls, gold plated balls. We have a matching bangles also and bracelets also. For more varieties, please WhatsApp on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042. Our sales team will give lot of range and best deal. ये सारी ज्वेलरी सूट करती इंडियन ड्रेसेस as well as western dresses also, and best item for the gifting purpose because it is not gold, so it come with a very less price. The price range between around 2000 to around 10,000 depending upon the item and the weight of the pearls. अगर पर्ल्स में आपको क्वालिटी चाहिए तो जगदम्बा पर्ल्स इज़ वन ऑफ द फेमस ब्रांड. द नेम इज़ इनफ फॉर द पर्ल्स. और आप कभी भी डिस्काउंट्स पार्ट पे मत जाइए. आप देखिए कि फाइनल प्राइस आपको कितने में आ रहा है, बिकॉज ऑल द प्राइजेस आर बार कोडेड इन द जगदम्बा पर्ल्स. सी ऑल दीज आर द बार कोडिंग टैग इज देयर, बिकॉज ऑल द प्राइजेस आर स्टैंडर्ड. इवन इफ यू गो फॉर अमेजॉन, सी आवर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल आर fine quality and bar coded. This is also one of the beautiful collection with the blue stone Swarovskis with the natural freshwater pearls. So whatever items you like, you please take the screenshot and please send it to our WhatsApp number. We'll give best deal and free shipping across the world. The price for this is approximately 16,700, and here's the matching bangle also, which is costing just 1,800. We'll give the best deal. Please WhatsApp on our WhatsApp number showing on the screen. And if you come to this side, here it is. This is one of the traditional item, typical Hyderabad made. See the craftsmanship, the stone setting work and the quality of the pearls. It looks like ditto gold jewelry. As you know, the gold prices are too high, so everybody is not ready to buy the gold jewelry nowadays, and sometimes people want to give for the gifting purpose also. So it is very suitable for the gifting purpose also. It's a pocket friendly price, and even for the corporate sector also it is very suitable for the gifting. Lot of bulk quantity we are receiving nowadays. Like 2-3 examples I'll give you. Dr. Reddy Labs, and Cipla, Ranbaxy. These are the pharmaceutical companies which they are placing lot of orders, and we are taking the orders and delivering within a short time, because we have already bulk quantity already we made. This is also one of the beautiful piece which jali work along with the matching earrings. See the this is along with the matching earrings. All this you will get the matching earrings. So whatever you like, you please take the screenshot and send it to WhatsApp number. Please like and subscribe our video so that you will get latest upcoming videos. So how is this video? Please comment on our comment box, and what exactly more requirements you need, you please give the feedback so that we'll come with the new videos. Thank you very much for watching the video.